In the heart of the Nile Valley, amidst the grandeur of the pyramids and the majesty of the Sphinx, a tale unfolds of an ancient civilization's quest for wellness, a journey that would shape the course of medical history. The Egyptians, renowned for their sophisticated knowledge of astronomy, mathematics, and architecture, were also pioneers in the realm of alternative medicine. Their belief in the healing power of nature was deeply ingrained in their culture, reflected in the vast array of herbs and plants they used for medicinal purposes. The riverbanks of the Nile teemed with life, offering a bounty of medicinal herbs. Among them, castor oil seed was used as a laxative, while the leaves of willow trees provided a primitive form of aspirin. Even the humble onion was valued for its antibacterial properties. However, it was the discovery of the healing power of the opium poppy that would truly captivate the Egyptians. This versatile plant, with its beautiful, sleep-inducing flowers, was not only used for pain relief but also as an ingredient in funeral rites, believed to help the deceased journey through the afterlife. Yet, the use of opium was not without controversy. As its potency became more widely known, concerns arose over its potential for addiction. Pharaoh Ramesses II, in an effort to curb its misuse, ordered strict regulations on its cultivation and distribution. Despite these concerns, the Egyptians' fascination with alternative medicine persisted. They believed that every ailment had a remedy in nature, and they spent countless hours studying and experimenting with various herbs. Their findings were documented in the Edwin Smith Papyrus, a medical text dating back to around 1600 BCE. This ancient manuscript, inscribed on a papyrus scroll, detailed a variety of surgical procedures and herbal remedies, offering a fascinating glimpse into the Egyptian approach to medicine. The legacy of ancient Egyptian alternative medicine extends far beyond the sands of the Nile. Many of the herbs they used, such as castor oil, willow bark, and opium, continue to be used in modern medicine, albeit with greater caution and understanding of their potential side effects. Today, the study of alternative medicine continues to evolve, with modern practitioners drawing inspiration from the wisdom of ancient civilizations like the Egyptians. As we delve deeper into the secrets of nature's healing powers, we pay tribute to the pioneering Egyptians who first dared to harness its potential for the betterment of human health.